Hey guys, welcome to Investing with Jess. Retire early. I hope everyone is doing great. So it's been a while since I recorded my video, and today I just want to give you an update, guys, with my portfolio. So if some of you already familiar with MSTY, so basically this is a one of the yield max ETFs that is based on strategy, and it's one of the popular ETFs actually that are, common, or more of the investors are actually buying this ETF because previously it was paying monthly, and it started to actually change into a weekly basis payout. I think in the past 2 weeks, so I already received my first weekly payout for about 60 cents per share, and just last week I received another dividends for 20 cents per share. So for this week, we don't know if it's going to be the same or it will fluctuate. But I think I'm still happy with the dividends uh, payout rate. And just to give you how actually what are the changes in my portfolio. So initially, or from the past month, I have around 2,000 shares of MSTY, but since I'm actually buying some of the individual stocks directly, and I see some potential in one of the individual stocks that I've been following for not only a year but I think almost 2 years. The ticker symbol is plug, PLUG. So this is a Plug Power. The name of the company is Plug Power, and they're actually their main business is about the hydrogen fuel cells. So the stock's price is really low. I've been holding my shares around 6,000 shares from last year, and really the share price went down even under $2. But recently, due to some positive sentiment in hydrogen business or industry, the share price started to catch up. So I see really a good opportunity for the share price to improve or maybe to go up. If not this year, I believe it will start from next year onwards, because we know that the future of hydrogen is going to be massive, because as you know, most of the companies are now moving into decarbonization, and most of the traditional combustion engine also vehicles, mainly trucks, are going to be phased out now, meaning in terms of the government regulations, we're now trying to really move into clean energy so that it will help our environment. So I think I would say my investment in Plug Power is somehow mix of course, hoping that I'm going to gain or have some profit in the future when the company become profitable. And at the same time, I'm thinking that this investment also is at least for our environment, right? um, Not only we are expecting for a good profitable profit in the future, but I think it's also a good way for us to invest um, for the future of our environment. It somehow we are trying to help these companies who are building the clean energy, to for them to keep uh, moving and building large infrastructures that could generate more clean energy, and of course support uh, our consumption, and transition the our industry from the traditional engine, or uh, some of the combustion engine vehicles or machines into clean energy. So for me, that's how I see my investment. And just for transparency, I have actually 50% of my portfolio are now investing in Plug Power, and the other 50% are diversified in different industries like the electric vehicles, because we know that EV is the next generation. And I also have portion of my portfolio in AI, artificial intelligence related business. um, so I think, although I only have few individual stocks and this dividend ETF, I believe, if the transition to the clean energy and then electric vehicles and artificial intelligence will continue in the upcoming years, then I believe my investment should be in the good position. So let me know, guys, what's your thoughts about these industries. Where are you currently investing, and what are your, what are you investing in your portfolio, what industry really you're focusing, and what's your goal in your investment. So please share in this in the comment below, guys, and let me know if you have any topics or kind of stocks that you think will become profitable in the future. Please share and let us know, so that we can, our community in this channel will also be able to take advantage and try to learn from you guys what are the good strategy in investing. And if you are also doing some short-term trading, what are the best practices that you are learn from your investing and trading, so that everyone can learn. And our goal for this channel is really to have more profits in the future in our investment, and we could retire early. So I hope this video could help you some insights, guys, and I hope that if you are new to this channel, please feel free to subscribe and share this to your friends or families. And if you are my existing subscriber, thank you very much for watching, and we'll talk to you in my next video. God bless.